Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to record a voiceover in the CapCut app. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project or open an existing one. Add your video or images to the timeline. At the bottom menu, scroll and tap on Audio. Select the record option. Tap or press and hold the microphone icon while you speak to record your voiceover. When you release the button, the recording will be added to your timeline automatically. Let's play it back to listen.
Yesterday, I ate this delicious Peruvian food.
Now you can move it, trim it, or adjust the volume using the editing tools. Once you are happy with the result, export your video. And that's it. Now you know how to record a voiceover in CapCut.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.